So TV, I just want to show this. That every time you walk on the street, in the side street of the here in Japan, you always find drink. I don't know how you say this, but drink vending machine. Well, it's not vending because it's not moving. So I just want to show you a little bit. So that's why you go there. I don't have a coins here. I wish I have in it so I can really show it. So I usually put that money there. And then otsuri. Oh, I can still read. Otsuri means change. And then when you press it, it's gonna bring your drink there on the bottom. And then you get your change here. So you choose if I have money, I'll put my coins there, and then it'll come out some lights. It will light that. And then you press what you want, then it bring it down. I'm sure, yeah. Okay, bye.